Step 1, a potato. The potato has been baked, so it's cooked, but with the skin on. Again, retaining all the flavour and making it very, very easy just to take the peel off like this. Step 2, grate your potato. Step 3, add some chopped herbs, salt, pepper, bind it together with some egg white. And again, this is a really healthy hash brown. You can do 2 things here. Take a ring and put it on a tray. Make sure the tray is well oiled. Press your hash brown mixture into the ring. And then you take it and you pop it into the oven. While the hash brown is cooking, I've got some nice chopped leek and herbs that I'm placing on a mushroom, and on top of that I'm going to sprinkle a little crust. So the hash browns come out of the oven, the stuffed mushroom has gone on top of the hash brown, and then the cashew then goes on top and around. And there you have it.